Clarendon police have confirmed that a week-long search for a Kingston teacher has ended in tragedy.
Samuel Martin's body was found in bushes in Maypen, Clarendon this morning.
But even as the cops tried to put their murder investigation together, expressions of disbelief and disappointment, as they say residents knew of the abduction and murder but said nothing. 6 days of searching for 41-year-old Samuel Martin ended in this overgrown stretch of land, Juno Gully, between Juno Crescent and the farm communities in Clarendon. Mr. Martin, who lived on Waterloo Close in St. Andrew, had been missing since Good Friday when he went to Manchester but did not return home. His relatives and the police have been pleading for information to help in locating him. The Clarendon police say they found his car on Friday in this same area, but there was no sign of a body. But head of operations for the division, Deputy Superintendent Paul Bernard, says based on new information, another search was done Thursday morning.
Within 15 minutes of the search in the bushes at Junior Gully, which lies between farm and Junior Gully, the body of what appeared to be a male lying on his abdomen was found in bushes, advanced state of decompose, with hands and feet bound.
The body was found about 300 meters from where the car was found on Good Friday. Speaking on RGR 94 FM's Hotline program on Thursday, head of the Clarendon Police, Senior Superintendent Vendolin Cameron Powell, said based on the clothes the body was clad in, she was sure it was that of Samuel Martin. However, SSP Cameron Powell expressed surprise at two factors that impeded the search and investigation. Firstly, despite being in an advanced state of decomposition, the body had no odor. That's because it was doused with petrol.
I have never heard of this in my 35 years of policing, where gas style thrown on the body to keep down the scent. So while it is partially decomposed, there is no odor coming from that body to even draw attention to nearby people or passers-by or so on.
In addition to that, SSP Cameron Powell told Hotline host Emily Shields that based on investigations, details of Mr. Martin's abduction were known by several people from Friday, but no one came forward with the information.
A lot of persons saw what happened. They knew what happened, and they hid the information. They called out of town. They telling other persons what they saw. Emily.
What?
No one yet. I won't be surprised if I see his videos going around. Believe in me, I wouldn't be surprised.
You mean the people would have had information that could have helped you long time ago?
Long time from Saturday morning.
Oh, no.
From Saturday morning. And this is the sad part of how cold our citizens have become.
Despite this startling revelation, the police say it's not too late for persons to come forward with what they know to help the investigation.
We're appealing to the citizens of Junior Gully and environs at this time to come and speak to the police, tell us what you know. We know a little, we know about 15%, but if we get the remaining 85%, we'll have a closure to this case.
Herman Green, TVJ News.